So in this video, we're going to demonstrate the figure 8 technique. Now with this technique, you'll be using it for basically adhering any type of eyes to the front of the hook. Now this is booby eyes, so you can also take lead eyes, really mono eyes, any type of eyes that you want to use. So I've twisted my fly up so that way you can actually watch the motion that I'm going to do with my thread. Now it's called the figure 8 technique because you're actually going to be wrapping your thread into a figure 8. So you want to grab your bobbin and you're going to come up behind the eyes. You're going to go across or in the middle of those eyes. You're going to wrap it then again around the eye of the hook, and then you're going to come up through the middle of those eyes yet again, and then you're going to go behind the eyes and then come back up. So again, you're going to cross over the middle of those eyes. You're going to wrap it around the eye of the hook. You're going to cross back over the middle of the eyes, and then you're going to wrap it behind the eyes. Again, I'm just going to do it quickly for you so you guys can visualize it. And that is the figure 8 technique. Again, you can use this to adhere any type of eyes onto the shank of the hook.